In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to parse URL parameters in Tableau Desktop. This skill can be incredibly useful for anyone looking to harness full control over the data visualization of URLs and their components. By following these steps, you'll be able to meticulously dissect URLs to display a more insightful Tableau dashboard. First things first, let's open the Tableau public app. Once you've successfully launched the app, the next step is accessing your worksheet. This is where all the magic happens. In your worksheet, ensure you have a field in your data source that contains the full URL you'd like to parse. It's important to have this field ready because it acts as the backbone of the data extraction process we'll be undertaking. Now that you have your URL field ready, the next thing we do is drag this URL field to the rows section on your sheet. Doing this will allow us to work individually with each URL in your dataset, aligning them in a manner that's easy for Tableau to manage and display. Next, we'll focus on another aspect of our data, the number of views. Go ahead and drag the number of views measure to the text box. By doing so, you're positioning yourself to extract and showcase another layer of analytics to your visual representation. Now, it's time to set up calculated fields. Navigate to the Analysis menu and select Create Calculated Field. For our first calculated field, name it Category. Here you'll type in the query that extracts the specific URL parameter related to the category of interest. Once typed, click OK to save this field. Remember, calculated fields are crucial as they allow you to create custom expressions that you can later use to display data in your dashboard. Still within the Analysis menu, you're going to create another calculated field. This time, name it Media. Just like you did with the category, type in the corresponding query and click OK. By following the same method, you're effectively building a variety of perspectives into your Tableau dashboard, each calculated field representing a different component of your URLs. Repeat the process once more for another calculated field named Program. Create this field by entering another specific query and then click OK. The calculated fields you've created will serve as individual components of your URL that we'll want Tableau to recognize and use for later visualizations. Finally, drag all these newly created calculated fields into the rows area. This step integrates these components onto your worksheet, allowing each part of the parsed URL to be handled individually and visualized accordingly. And that's it. You've successfully parsed URL parameters in Tableau Desktop. By dissecting the URL into its components, category, media, and program, you now have a detailed analytical view of your data. This technique of URL parsing provides you with a powerful way to relay complex data in an understandable and visually compelling manner. Happy analyzing!